Hello my flourishing friends, I hope you're doing well and feel crafty today. I am very excited for today's video because I just came across some really nice crafting items and I went straight to crafting, so I hope you enjoy watching me learn something. Just kick back and relax, so let's dive in. What I wanted to show you is I went to the thrift shop today and I found this new packaged Beatrix Potter card topper set. It's so nice, and to show you that I'm not kidding, it's the price here, $3.50. I could not leave it there for the price, so yeah, I left it like that to show it off to you, and yeah, so we can explore it together. Today I show you how to make a greeting card, like a simple greeting card with those pre-cut cards you can buy, together with the card toppers. And I had in my stash a really fitting note card pad, which I would like to use for this. So what do we say, we dive right in and I show you what I had in mind. First of all, I already flipped through the cards, of course, and I found this really nice picture here. I think it's really cute. So let's rip it off. Yeah, let's see what card toppers we have. So I want to find something that matches the little cards we have. Those are a lot. So let's see, what do we have? Ooh, that's cute. Wrong season though. I would use that for Easter, but that's off these. There we go. So I think I'm gonna go with a pig theme because they're so nicely dancing here. Pig party. Whoop. Gosh, there are so many. Let me pick the ones I can use first, and then I come back to you in 1 second. So those are the ones I've chosen. I think they go pretty good with the little card thingy. So let me show you what I would like to do to include it to the greeting cards. Let's get rid of those for now. Yeah, this one is a pre-bought card, normal like glossy paper. It had already the circle cut out. Really convenient. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put it back here. I'm gonna glue it, and don't worry that you can see the sides here. We're gonna cover that up so nobody's ever gonna know. Yeah, I think this looks pretty nice. So let's glue that. School glue. How I'm gonna glue that is just put some glue on top and bottom for now. Then I'm gonna flip it again to see how I would like to have the picture centered. Like the doggy, looks like my dog. And what I'm gonna do now is take my good old clear tape. Don't worry, it doesn't have to look perfect on this side. I'm gonna cover that up later. So it looks like this now, just to hold it in place so it doesn't wiggle around. Then I have here some washi tape I already pre-selected because of the colors. I think they go pretty good. I think I'm gonna go with a light blue one for now, and later maybe with this one. This we're gonna use to cover up the edges here. What I'm gonna do is just put some little stripes there. It's gonna look like nothing for now, but I promise later it's gonna look like something. Now it looks like this. I'm gonna take the other washi as well and glue some pieces right next to it. Doesn't matter that it's like this now, you're not gonna see that later. And the kit was this really nice piece. I think I'm gonna include it on the bottom here. But to give it a bit more dimension, I have here my very own trusty 3D foam pads again. You might remember those from the first video. Just glue them on the back. And it's okay that it laps over, but I'm just gonna cut that off. So this is how it looks now. Next up, we're gonna cover up those edges here a bit. And I think those piggies are so cool. Yeah, for this side, I'm gonna use those two. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glue this one with one layer of those pads. Glue it down right here. So it covers up this, yeah, the end pieces of the washi. What I'm gonna do with this one, I'm gonna do a double layer of the foam pads. So I just glue one down and on top another one, so it's more thick. I realized they're a bit thin, so I'm gonna add a third one just to make sure. It's okay that it's not straight, by the way. What you create with this is, it looks like this pig is standing a bit further away because it's more in the front, which is always a nice effect. So now it looks like those piggies are actually watching those two. What I have here is a little birdie I'm gonna put it right here so it covers up this side. I'm gonna do the same like with the first pig, just simple layer of the foam pads. Today we go wild with the foam pads. Also included in the card topper package was those pieces of little flowers, which I'm gonna put here. What I'm gonna do with those is the same as I did with the piggies. So one gets a simple layer and one then a triple layer. I'm gonna do that quick and come back to you. Now you have this really centerpiece picture framed by nice little knickknacks. They also look like they belong there and that they were, yeah, actually from the same paper. I think it's amazing to, yeah, it was an amazing thrift found. Of course now there's something on the top missing, so trusty washi it is. I have here a washi sample from a pen pal of mine. I always keep them for a project. If I find a washi that fits, that's always taken with a lot of gratitude. So this is where it goes. I also have some stickers here, because for me a card always has to have some kind of lettering, something nice on top. So I was thinking either the with love, the cheers, or something nice from here. I didn't even read them all yet. Let's see, maybe the it kind of makes me wonder. I think I'm gonna go with that. And of course, since we did everything in the 3D optic, I'm not gonna stick it. I'm gonna cut it out from the sticker pad and then also put foam pads underneath it. There it goes. Now I'm gonna just put two little teeny tiny things in the corners there to catch a bit what's going on with the whole thing. And I decided to take some more washi to use it again, because I think it's nice when things are repeating themselves in the piece. Yeah, so let's go for that. Just gonna cut it like so. Just glue it over the corners and cut it off. And I'm gonna do the same with this nice washi, just a bit more down. By the way, when I have a washi that has a pattern like this one, let's see if it's straight would work. Concentration. I try to make the pattern look in one direction, like those arrowy kind of things are looking up, so those are doing that as well. I think it looks more clean and more organized, but of course you can do it however you like. Already almost done. Looks like something, I think. So I found two more nice flowery pieces I would like to include to sum it all up. I'm gonna glue those just like they are without the foam pads, because I think that would make it too busy. There we go. That's the front. I really like the look of it. Now to the inside, to cover all of this up, and like I already said in the first video, this is again a patterned card, so I would not like to write on it. What I have here is paper, just a bit of color. I'm gonna cut that and put actually one piece here and another piece here, and then we're gonna decorate. So let's bring on the paper cutter. That's the old friend. I'm gonna glue it a bit more to the top to include a few knickknacks down here. You can glue it down with whatever glue you have. It really doesn't matter, it's gonna stick anyways because it's such a nice paper. To make it also hold on better to the card, I'm gonna fix it with a bit of washi. Again, the same ones that I used in the front, just to repeat the patterns and colors you've already used to make it really a whole piece and not just a weird mixed item. There we go. From my picking earlier, I have one pick left. So we're gonna use this 4 piggy. I'm gonna glue it here. It sounds weird, I have a piggy left. I think it would be nice if we had some flowers on top of here. So With the inside of the card, I never use 3 deep pads because I think it makes the card look weird because it's gonna get all puffy. Yeah, if you want to do that, of course, you're more than welcome, but it's just not for me. For the other side, I just decided to cut the paper in half and do like 2 little parts here. What I just did was I glued them down just like that. I'm gonna reuse the washi again to cover the corners like we did in the front, so you have that element repeated as well. I really love that you can just glue everything to this pad and it comes off. Once I crafted with this paper pad underneath it, that was not cool, so I cannot recommend that. But we are also learning, so cut the excess off. I really like the look of it so far. It's just missing some little knick-knack, so I'm gonna look for that and gonna see how I can make it more pretty. I just found this piece in the card topper set. It's a bit of a random item, but I really like it there, so I'm gonna fix it right away before I don't like it anymore. I think it lifts it all up really good, and because of its randomness, it's so nice. So we have a lot of room to write in the card right now. Also with the backside with the card, it's glossy paper, and sometimes like a normal ink pen doesn't write on it. Now it's plain normal paper, so you can write. There we are. Today was a little quickie. I hope you enjoyed it. I for sure did. And I can't wait for the next time we craft together. Yeah. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Lots of love, happy smiles and hugs. Your Lisa.